Anxiety treatment tips and tricks from experienced individuals. Anxiety is a condition that seriously impacts the lives of countless sufferers the world over. That is not to say that it cannot be defeated, when the proper techniques are employed. Use the ideas and tips in the video that follows, and you will be well prepared to confront the condition head-on, and achieve impressive results. Separate yourself from things that cause you anxiety for a few hours every day. If you find that thinking about something too often is making you anxious, go on a walk or somewhere you like for a while. Thinking about something too much can just make it worse, so keep your mind occupied. Dealing with anxiety before it paralyzes your actions is the best way to handle these feelings. If each situation is resolved with as it arises, the stress can be released and an anxiety attack can be avoided. Think calmly about the situation and decide on the best course of action. Learn how to distract yourself. As soon as you feel the anxiety starting to overwhelm you, find something that offers a distraction. Make sure that it's something that takes up a lot of concentration or energy, such as a difficult puzzle or a brisk workout. By concentrating on something other than your anxiety, you will find that it disappears quite quickly. To help you ensure anxiety is not taking control of your life, speak to your doctor about medications you can take to restore potential chemical balances. Medications are often prescribed for people dealing with anxiety disorders, and the results have proven to be very effective in most cases. Music is a great therapeutic tool. Once you feel the anxiety starting to take hold, play your favorite tunes. Pay close attention to the melody or the lyrics. Soon, you will be able to forget the things that are making you anxious. Keeping your mind occupied can really be helpful in treating anxiety. If you suffer from chronic anxiety, along with millions of others, you should pay a visit to your doctor. Each day there are new breakthroughs in treatment and medication, giving you lots of available options to treat the symptoms of anxiety. So be sure to consult with your physician and obtain the correct treatment. The often crippling effects of anxiety are something known to a staggering number of individuals. The finest way to defeat the condition is by equipping yourself with the best knowledge and treatment strategies available. If you apply the guidance in this video consistently, it is possible to regain control and defeat anxiety once and for all. Discover how I overcame anxiety disorder and started living life again. Visit secretanxietyhack.com to learn how I did it. I thought my anxiety disorder was for life, but I discovered how hundreds of former anxiety sufferers melted away their anxiety and now live relaxed, happy lives with no trace of anxiety or depression at all. Visit secretanxietyhack.com to learn so much more. Link in the description.